Hi everyone, this is Christy. Welcome to the channel. So thank you to the new subscribers. There's been quite a few of you guys over the last few weeks. And thank you and welcome back to the returning viewers and subscribers. And thanks for all the questions and allowing me to help you with formulation problems. I really appreciate that. That is just fun for me. I don't know why. I think just because I like to teach and work through problems and find solutions for other people. So now this video quality may be a little bit different because I am actually recording on my little Canon. It's a handheld power shot, and I'm doing that because my big camera does not autofocus. It was given to me as a gift. It's about 10 or 12 years old. It's a great camera, but it just won't autofocus. So, and I didn't have any help recording my intro today, so I needed something that would autofocus. So that's what that's about. But anyway, today's video is just going to be me restocking our personal use soaps. We are down to maybe, looking at my soap shelf now, we were down to about 2 big bars and about 10 tiny miniature hand soaps left. And every week I was like, oh, I'm gonna make soap this week, I'm gonna make soap this week, and it kept getting away from me. And so finally last weekend I made myself just stay up super late, even though I had to be at work extra early in the morning the next day. I stayed up super late to at least get the soap poured and made, knowing that it would have to sit while I was at work all day, and then I could cut it once I got home, which is what I did. So that's what's going to be happening in this soap. It's just a confetti soap. I have about 15 pounds of shredded soap from when I was in business, and it's still good soap, and I refuse to throw it away, but I don't sell anymore. So I shredded it all down and I mixed it into a soap. I don't personally like fragrances or smells on my skin or in my home. So this soap will be completely unscented, just the basics, just good soap with some coconut oil and other really good oils. So I think that's it. But I was super excited to make it, and I am super excited to present it to you all. So thank you, and I'll see you on the other side.